everyone. Gary Jordan with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, the Masiello Group. Today I'm in Clifton, Maine on Chimo Pond where I just sold a waterfront home. If you're somebody out there wanting to sell your waterfront property, whether it be a lake, pond, river, or oceanfront, give me a call today. I'll show you how it will elevate your property, get the maximum value for it. Again, Gary Jordan with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, the Masiello Group. Information about me in this video and also in your text.